Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your existing account on the Cake Wallet application. So let's get started right away. You can log out from your Cake Wallet application from within the app if you wish to do so, but you may find that all of your user data have not been cleared from the app. So in order to fix this and make sure that you have completely logged out, open up the Settings application on your device. Now from the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Apps. Now from the Apps page, just go ahead and search for Cake Wallet, and when you find it, just tap on it. Now from the application info page, tap on the Force Stop button at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on OK to stop the application. Once the application is stopped, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now from the Storage menu, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner first, and then tap on Clear Data alongside it. Then tap on the Delete button to delete all of your user data within the application. Now if you go back to the app, you will find that all of your login information has been removed. And that is how easy it is to log out from your Cake Wallet application completely. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.